What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to purchase PEPE Coin. Yes, everybody's talking about PEPE Coin right now because there's a lot of speculation this could be like a next Shiba or Dogecoin, and lately it's been pumping like crazy, so a lot of people aping in and trying to buy and hold and hopefully to become a millionaire. But before I show you how to do that, just want to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything, especially into meme coins like PEPE Coin. And let's take a look at actually one tweet that was tweeted out like maybe a little over an hour ago. And they're comparing PEPE to Shiba and to Doge. And if we're going to take a look at 24-hour trading volume, as you can see, PEPE Coin is actually doing better than Doge or Shiba in 24-hour volume. So then if we're going to go take a look at the CoinGecko, and at the time of recording this video, PEPE Coin is sitting at number 83, and looks like right now market cap it's $500 million, and 24 volume is 425 millions. So if we're gonna open up PEPE Coin, as you can see, the total supply is huge. It's like 420 trillion. So for each dollar you're gonna spend, you're gonna get a lot of coins. First thing we need to do, we need to press on markets, and it's gonna show us exactly each place where we can buy PEPE Coin. So the most used or that has biggest volume is Uniswap, then OKX, MEXC, then Uniswap version 3, Gate.io, Huobi, BitGet, and etc. So Uniswap, this is the centralized exchange, and OKX is centralized. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the centralized exchange, but if you're comfortable of using centralized, you can use one of the followings. So to do that, what we need to do, we need to just press on PEPE/VET, and the new window is gonna open up. So this is a Uniswap, and I'm gonna show you on desktop PC, but it's gonna be almost exactly the same process on phone or on iPad, whatever you're using. So here what we need to do, since we're gonna be buying PEPE, we just need to press on this arrow down, and we're gonna be using Ethereum to buy PEPE. First thing we need to do, we need to connect our wallet, then press right here, connect, and then choose your wallet. For this video tutorial, I'm going to be using metamask. Press on metamask, and then just next, and then connect. So once you're going to connect, you're going to be able to see a balance here, and either you can type right here how much you would like to spend, either 1% or a little more, or you can just press on max. It's gonna allow you to use your maximum balance, plus probably it's gonna leave like a percent or something for gas and etc. So as you can see, for $18 you can get, at the time of recording this video, 13 millions. But the gas price is too high. A lot of people actually is trying to buy, trade, or sell, try to make some money. As you can see, gas will be jumping, and if you're gonna hover over, you can see the way this process is gonna work. And then we can press on this little gear right here, and right here what we need to do, we need to set the slippage tolerance. So by default it's set to 5, or if we choose expert mode, right here we're gonna have to type confirm and then press again, and you can set your slippage tolerance. Some people were saying that you need to set at least 20%. It's just the amount of people are trading, so that way slippage is going to be slightly higher, so we can do 20% or maybe even more. But I would just say just leave it at auto. This is going to be the best, and then turn off your expert mode if you don't feel comfortable using it. And then the next thing what you need to do, just press on swap. And as I said earlier, you can press on max here. It's gonna max out your balance. Like I said, it's probably gonna leave 1%. So for 4%, I'm gonna be able to get almost 60 million coins. And then if we press on swap, this is basically gonna give you breakdown, how it's gonna work, the fees and everything. And then we need to press on confirm swap. Or while I was talking, the price got updated, so we're gonna accept the price and then confirm swap. And then in metamask this is gonna appear, it's gonna show us estimated gas. Gas is pretty high. If we scroll down, if I would have had enough money, then I would be able to press on confirm button. Once you press on confirm, it's gonna go through the process and you will get your coins in your wallet. And let's say for example you went through the process, and I'm gonna press on reject, and then you got your coins, but when you open the metamask on your assets, under your assets, you're not going to be able to see your PEPE coins if they're not going to show up automatically. Here's what you can do. There's two different ways to add a coin. You can go back here, scroll up. So either if you're using metamask, you just press add to metamask and it's going to add automatically, or we can just click this address to copy, and then if we go back to metamask, we can add coin manually by scrolling down and then pressing on import token. Right here you can search for token, or you can press on custom token and then token contract address here, just paste it and it's gonna find it and add custom token. Or like I stated earlier, just press on this add to metamask and it's gonna automatically add PEPE token. Just press add token and it's done. Scroll down, as you can see, PEPE token is added to your wallet. And once you're gonna make a swap, and in this case I canceled that or I rejected that transaction, your PEPE token is gonna appear in your wallet. And this is pretty much it. That's how you purchase PEPE token using decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. Thanks for watching.